Hello, business owners. Now, we are back again with another version of our thank you page. And this is just an example of the way that you can use your thank you page to upsell. So, this is something that you can do on the back end of your free offer, and you can just kind of create something digital, or you can also forward people to an affiliate offer. You can also sell a physical product. The thing that I would do here, though, is I would try to find something that complements the original offer. So, for example, if you did a free planner, then I would try to find either a digital product or a physical product or some other piece of content that you could provide that would complement what your free resource provides. So in this case, is planning and being able to, get your schedule under control and get more done in less time. So this is how we've set this up. So it says, wait, there's more, say 50% on the ultimate organization package. So this is for limited time, and we set a countdown timer here that will let the person know they have 15 minutes. This was a 15-minute timer. I've been on here for a couple of minutes, so it's only giving me 12 minutes. But they have 15 minutes to decide whether they want to get the ultimate organization package that will help them dig deeper. Now, this is going to give them a tutorial. So they'll get a video tutorial, they'll get a list building bundle, and they'll get an income and expense tracker. So they're going to get all of this in addition to their planning worksheets. So instead of just getting the planning worksheets and kind of going through them on their own, they'll be able to, and this video kind of explains all of that, where they can go through the video and it walks them through how to complete those planning worksheets and how to use their planning system, right? And then if they want to use the list building checklist, and this is just an example, this is something I just kind of threw together. It's bogus, it doesn't really go together, but I just want to give you some examples and ideas of things that you can do with your free resource. And if you think about it holistically, if you put together a free resource like a lead magnet, then you can also think about something that might complement that you could offer, and you could give your newly subscribed members a discount, like 50%, 30% off, whatever, and really encourage them to make a purchase. Now, this does a number of different things. When someone makes a purchase with you right off the bat, when they become a subscriber, there's no more, hesitation or fear that, you're not a legitimate company, that you don't know what you're doing. If they get their product and it meets their satisfaction, then you are going to have a customer or a repeat customer that will have no problem buying from you in the future. So this really does a number of great things for your business when you pair up the right things together. So it's really important that you keep everything consistent in terms of your coloring, not like a coloring book, but the colors that you use on your pages, the fonts, the formatting, all of that needs to be relatively, the same as what you did for your original opt-in page. So we keep everything pretty much the same. And I'm going to actually walk you through how to create a thank you page. And it's going to be really easy. But what you want to do is you want to have the ability, you're going to need a countdown timer, number one. And then you might want to put together a video that kind of tells people what they're going to get and, how they can use it. So you have, for example, the sheets by themselves, and people can kind of, struggle through that. Or they can get a video that gives them the inside information on how they can use the sheets, how they can enhance their business, how they can enhance their personal life, and give them the ability to dig deeper with this tutorial. And then the checklist and the income tracker are kind of like the icing on the cake, right? So then you can tell people, when you buy these things separately, it comes out to $20. But we're going to give it to you today for $10, which means you can save 50% and you can have more tools that will enable you to grow your business. Now, you can buy this, and this is what we are going to be thinking about. We want to think about ways to make it easy for our ideal customers to make a purchase. So we don't want to have to send them back through our checkout. We don't want to have to create a code, like a coupon code or a discount code. We don't want them to have to go through all of that. All we want them to be able to do is just click on this button, buy now, check out, and have their product. So there are 2 additional videos that are going to walk you through how to set up a Stripe button. And there's also another video that will show you how to set up a PayPal button. And these are buttons that will enable anyone to use their credit card, to use their debit card. They can use Cash App. I think on Stripe you can use Cash App. I think Stripe will also enable you to use Google Pay and Apple Pay. So they will have a number of different ways that they can pay for the item that you're going to give them, right? So all we're going to do is just set up this button, and that's going to enable them to buy. And we show you how to do that in these additional videos. So that is pretty much it for this video. This is just, another version of a thank you page. And the reason I did these videos is so that you can see how easy it is for you to set up lots of different options. You can even test out different options to see which ones work the best. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sign off for this, and I will see you on the next video. We're going to actually go through, in this next video, we're going to go through and we're going to test all this out and make sure that it works. Okay? All right, thank you so much.